Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide this window ink pen, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at. I'm going to show you how you can hide it from your taskbar. So yeah, that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, to get started, as you can see, if you want to hide it, just come to your taskbar right here and then right click on it, and then you can come here, as you can see, show window ink workspace button, right? So you can hide that by just unmarking that, and then as you can see, you have hidden it. So if you wanted to turn it back on, you can just show ink workspace and then mark that, and then as you can see, you have that, the ink workspace right there. But then I want to turn mine off, so just unmark that. So that's how you can unmark that, or how you can hide that web ink workspace. So yeah, that's it. It's really simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.